How to block in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can block in TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to block on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go here and first of all launch the TikTok application. And then let's say there is a specific person that you might want to block. It is very simple to block them. All you have to do is just select the specific profile and then make sure to come to the profile page. And then if you want to block them so that you no longer want to find their profiles and so on, tap the little arrow icon that you can find from the very top right hand side, and then you're going to land on this page where you'll find this option known as block. So all you have to do is just make sure to tap on this block option here. It'll ask you for this sort of information. Are you sure you want to block them? So you just want to make sure to basically tap on this block option right over here. If you want to unblock them, you can do so right away, right from here. This way you can block and unblock people on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.